Okay, here are the little ducks. Hello. We're all going for a swim. Hurry up, catch up, all of you. There we go. All right. There they go. Enjoying a nice breezy day. Taking a nice swim. There you go. Oh my, here comes some more. Another group. Here we go. Oh, this is duck heaven.
Last one's a male.
Oh, the last one's male? Yeah, he's green.
They're mallards.
Yeah.
That's turned up there.
Mallard duck. Aren't they pretty? Look at that. We're all going for a swim, all going downstream, following the others. Beautiful day for a nice swim. Boy, they're really going too. Yeah. A whole bunch of them. Gonna go meet up with the rest of the group. Alright, I hope you like watching ducks go downstream.
Rub-a-dub-dub, some ducks in the tub.
Ah, the big tub.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big tub. Look at that, they're all going. The other ones are coming back up. They're going to meet back up with them. Here you guys go. So they're all going to be in a pack. All right.